we just didn't really see any snow down low. It all kind of stayed up high. And even at Schweitzer, we're looking at a bit of a wintry mix as we get into the 6 o'clock hour as everything starts to transition over to rain. It's warm temperatures across much of the inland northwest. It is snow up high for now, but by this afternoon, it's all rain as temperatures soar. Even in Coeur d'Alene, a lot of rain. 37 degrees there, and that's 37 degrees here in Spokane, 36 in Coeur d'Alene, 32 in Sandpoint, and 34 in Deer Park. Here in the mid-30s in Pullman and Moscow, Ritzville 33. And as you move your way out to the west, it's temperatures down near or below freezing. We have winter weather advisories in place for our freezing rain potential in Wenatchee up to Chelan. That includes Leavenworth and down into Moses Lake. It's freezing rain and a wintry mix early this morning. Basically, if you're on the west side of Moses Lake, it's that wintry mix. If you're on the east side, it's more rain. And as you move into the inland northwest, it's a lot of snow in some locations. Republic already picking up about 3 inches. And then as you move into higher elevations, it's a similar story. And most of that snow stays up high, but even up high where we get the snow, it is likely that we have an overrunning of rain later this afternoon as temperatures continue to climb. It's just that kind of day. You're driving 4th of July past to get into, say, Coeur d'Alene, Post Falls, or even over in Spokane. It's going to be a bit sloppy slushy this morning, but temperatures on the warm side mean that it does melt rather quick, and by this afternoon, we're up near 40 degrees across much of the region. You can see the wintry mix line. It really is right there in Moses Lake, Othello, kind of right on the edge of it. As you move into Wenatchee and up in Leavenworth and even over towards Chelan, that's where you're seeing some of that activity. Pretty widespread with the rain here in the inland northwest. You're seeing some of those spots with that rain really coming down. Really, if you make your way along Interstate 90, it's kind of a slushy, sloppy mess as we work our way into the afternoon. Eventually, it is going to be a lot more rain than what this even suggests. I really think that we start seeing that rain take over, even in Snoqualmie Pass, by the time we get to about 10:30 this morning. Up high, that winter weather advisory lasts until about noon. Would not be shocked if it expired earlier as things start to make that transition with the warmer weather moving in. But it's kind of a 1-2 punch. We first get the sweeping of the warm front, then we get the cold front, and that will bring in some cooler temperatures and even give us a little bit of snow over Snoqualmie Pass as we get into tomorrow. But here we go. 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts today. By tomorrow, it calms down. That ushers in some cooler temperatures. You saw that northerly shift, so that's how we pull in a little bit more cold. But when we're talking a little bit more cold, it basically brings us back to where we were because today winds up so warm. In the mountains, it dries us out. So today it's rain and snow. Tomorrow, we'll even see a little bit of sunshine, and that's not just the case up high, but the case down low. We've got rain today and breezy conditions. There you go, mostly cloudy as we head through the next few days, but seriously, we dry out and we go back to the old weather pattern. We're under a ridge, we have overnight lows down near 30, daytime highs up near 40. This time we have a little less moisture in the atmosphere despite the showers right now. It's because it's all already melting, and we could wind up seeing a little more sun as we head into the weekend.